class. This is Vaishali Rawat, and today in transformation of sentences we are going to start with a new topic, that is active voice and passive voice. Now active voice and passive voice, it depends upon the tense, simple, past and present, past and future, and all the 12 types of the tenses. But today we are going to start with the simple tense, whether it is simple present, simple past or simple future, how active and passive works in the simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. But before starting that, I will just make you aware what is active voice and what is passive voice. Right? So in active voice, the doer comes first and the work done by the doer comes in the later part of the sentence. And the same way in the passive voice, the work done by the doer comes first and the doer comes in the later part of the sentence. So here if we want to say the structure of active voice, the subject comes first, then it is V1 or V2 according to the type of the tense, and then comes the object. The same way in the passive voice, the object comes first, then whatever type of sentence you convert into passive voice, whether it is simple present, past or future, the verb is always converted into V3 form and then it is followed by the subject. Okay, so how this active and passive voice works in the tense of simple present, simple past and simple future. If the sentence is in the simple present tense, the boy breaks the window. So here the boy is the subject, breaks is in the V1 form, that means it is in the present tense, and the window is the object. So when it is converted into passive voice, the subject takes the object place and the object takes the subject place. That means the subject and the object interchanges its places. So it can be said as new subject also, or we can write object also. So when it is converted into passive voice, right, the object takes the subject place, that is the window. Then we have to, according to the structure, you have to write what is done by the subject. And you have to use the V3 form of the verb. So here breaks is in the V1 form and the V3 form of breaks is broken. As it is in the present tense and the given object is in the singular form, we will be using is. If it was the windows, right, the boy breaks the windows, then the windows are, right? If it depends upon the nouns also. If it is in the singular form, you have to use is MR, and if it is in the plural form, you have to use is and in the plural form you have to use are. So here the window object is in the singular form, so we have written is. So the window is V3 form of the verb broken. Then you have to use by who? By, and then the subject comes at the last, the verb. So your sentence will be the window is broken by the boy. This is the passive voice of simple present tense. Now the same way if you go in simple past tense, right, your sentence will be the boy broke the window. It's just as the simple present tense, only the tense has changed. V1 has turned to V2. Rest the formula is the same. Again subject takes the object place, object takes the subject place. The window was broken by the boy. The same it goes in the future tense also. The boy will break the window will be broken. So now here if you see, in the active voice, the verb works as V1, V2, right? But when you go for the passive voice, in all the three tenses, the verb is the same. There is no change in the verb, whether it is present tense, past tense or future tense. The verb is always in the V3 form. So this you have to keep it in mind, that whenever active voice is changed into passive voice, verb will always be written in the V3 form. Now when we move on to the perfect tense of the sentence, that how perfect tense sentences, active voice sentences are converted into passive voice, whether it is present, past or future, right? So here the present perfect tense sentences, the boy has broken the window. Now here the verb is already in the V3 form, so you don't have to change, it is already there. So when you are converting into the passive voice, only the subject object place will be changed and you just have to add one word, that is been. The window has been broken by the boy. So subject has taken the object place, object has taken the subject place, verb is already in the V3 form, so you just have to add been before writing the V3 form of the verb. Same goes with the past perfect also. The boy had broken the window had been broken by the boy. Again been is added before the V3 form of the verb. And same goes with the future tense also, future perfect tense. The boy will have broken the window will have been broken by the boy. So here we end with the active passive voice, and next lecture we will be going with the sentences. Now how an active voice is converted into passive voice when the sentences are in the continuous form of tense. We will go with the simple present continuous form. We have taken the same sentence, so there won't be any confusion in you. The boy is breaking the window. That means here the boy is the subject, is breaking is in a present continuous tense, and the window is the object. Now when you are converting a present continuous sentence which is in the active voice into the passive voice, again the basic formula will remain the same, that subject is taking the object place and object will be taking the subject place. Right? So here the object has taken the subject's place, that is the window, is being shows that it is in the present continuous tense, and the V1, the verb is converted into V3 form. Now whether it is in the simple tense, continuous tense or perfect tense, the verb in the passive voice will always be in the V3 form, and then the subject has taken the object's place. So your sentence is the window is being broken by the boy. Okay. Now the same goes with the past continuous tense also. The boy was breaking the window. Again the boy is the subject, was breaking in the past continuous tense, and the window is the object. It goes in the passive voice, the window was being broken by the boy. Now if we move on to the future continuous tense sentence, the active voice is the boy will be breaking the window, but passive voice is not applicable. The formula of passive voice is not applicable in the continuous future form of tense. Okay, thank you so much.